I'm excited to announce our final Louisiana Super Plant for 2024, and it is called Florida Sunshine Anise. Now, this is actually a native plant, native to the southeastern United States, and it has just this lovely, lovely fragrance of anise, and hence that is why it's called anise. Now, it gets these bright yellow foliage, and these are evergreen. They're very slow growing, and they're hardy from USDA hardiness zones 6 to 10. So it can tolerate heat and it can tolerate those freezes. So with these unpredictable weather patterns, this is an excellent choice. In addition, we discussed this year that lime chartreuse color is really the color in the garden this year. So it's a great selection. What's wonderful about it is that in the fall into the winter, it turns this bright yellow color. And when it's planted more in the shade, it will have more of a green color. Now, this does tolerate full to partial sun, but part sun is probably the best place for it to be. It does bloom in the springtime, and the pollinators love it. So as we're celebrating Pollinator Month, consider Florida Sunshine, Louisiana Super Plant for 2024. This is our fall introduction because it looks beautiful in the fall. But right now is a great time to get it in the landscape. Make sure you water it in very well, but once it's established, this is a very easy care shrub with those beautiful chartreuse lime colored green leaves. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.